So we've applied the floor, got all the dust off and primed it with a primer. This just helps the adhesive adhere to the floor properly. Now space your tiles out on the floor so you know you've got your bond right and you've not got any silly little cuts going around the edge of the floor, because these tiles are going to go up the wall as well, so they've all got to line up and obviously square to the floor, and they're going to go up the splashback and sort of behind the shower as well there. Right, there's my start line that runs in up the side of the shower tray, and then always do your start line and then you can work from that. Once you've worked out your bond, make sure you haven't got any little slivers up the sides of anything like the shower tray wall. Always smear your back tiles with a bit of adhesive. This just fills up all the little holes in it on the back. Make sure you get a good. Then I'll button one up. Clean that out. Right, so the tile in here around the toilet waste, and then tile myself back out like that. And we'll do the cuts Monday morning, let all this go off, cut into the door threshold, around there and in there. Right, floor's dried, so what we're doing today, start doing all the cuts around here. Obviously around here, bought a bag of Rapid, so we can do all these, we'll stand on them within an hour and then get the floor all grouted, cut in there in the threshold, and then start setting out to go up here and up here behind the bath.
It's a lot easier doing this.
Yeah. It's on the back of his van. Donut.
Why didn't bring it? I can't believe you started doing all this.
such a
We
good.
get a bit of a refund.
Yeah, I think we are.
I
Yeah,
don't know.
such a good holiday, like at a hotel.
Don't bother me, the seats. That's next month, isn't it?
What's that, mate?
Your holiday.
Yeah,
Why
Yeah.
not put that Portugal thing next month? And all
end of September.
18th. Put all money to She will have another fucking mums out. A bit awkward.
Last ones always are, though, aren't they?
No, I mean doing this like
Mm. Oh, we'll get the trestle set up in a minute.
that.